This is how beginners solve the Rubik's Cube. First they solve the daisy, and then they solve the cross, and then they solve the first layer. Once they're done with the cross, they solve the second layer of the cube. I got lucky here and got a skip on the cross. And then they orientate the last layer. If they want to swap to pieces, they use a special algorithm. Once they're done, they solve the yellow side. And then they use another special algorithm to solve the whole cube. And now the cube is solved.
Thanks for watching.